out, man.
It knocks you out. It's electricity. Oh my god. Look at people are just pulled over.
Why are people pulled over?
To take a picture of the storm as it's going.
I guess nature is shy. Come, bison, bison, bison. She. Oh,
Whoa.
I caught that one.
Did you get that?
Yeah.
Did that hit
Wow.
the floor? Did that hit the floor?
I don't know.
Yeah, if it arcs down like that, it should hit the floor. Or hit something.
It went straight down.
Well, yeah, path of least resistance. Oh, I got that one.
Whoa. Is it capturing all this?
Most of it.
Look at that.
There's Miss Bossa just next to me. It's getting behind us too. You see that mirror? It's for me. Not me.
Whoa.
I don't like to be blinked or anything.
It's like right there, that same spot that just keeps hitting something over there.
Illuminati confirmed.
Oh shit, it was right here, my face, right on my left. You see that?
It's behind us.
It's right there on that field.
Maybe it's hitting those metal things right there.
Illuminati confirmed. It's the aliens trying to take over.
Ay, ay, ay.
You know it's right.
Yes, because aliens are Illuminati or Illuminati are...
No. The aliens are mad at the... What?
Turn it off.
Yeah.